today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, this is crazy. I have one chart to show you right now. Basically the only chart which matters for us to decide, are we going to pump like crazy to a price target, which I am going to mention towards the end of that video, or are we going to get a rejection to the downside? Let's talk about that. I am still here in the airplane, actually right now on taxi, already landed, but this doesn't of course hold me back to make these videos. And what I want to show you is something I was posting, like by now it's 24 hours ago, over on Twitter, where I was saying Bitcoin is testing daily resistance, and only if the point of control is broken we can flip bullish. What you can see here on the right hand side is the VPVR volume per volume range, right, which shows us on a horizontal axis where the most volume is traded. The red horizontal line is the point of control, meaning the area, the price area where the most volume is traded. And naturally Bitcoin deviates towards the point of control. As you can see here, most of the time it is at the point of control. The highest likelihood for every single candle is always, compared to all other levels, to be at the point of control. So that's no surprise that we are at the moment at the point of control. Meaning for the future, however, if we are zooming out just a little bit, we can already see that above 103,000 there's just thin air, meaning on the bullish scenario, if Bitcoin were to break on the daily candle above 104,000 US dollars on a daily candle, there is nothing above. No structural resistance, no volume resistance, nothing. It's basically 125,000 US dollars, the price target I mentioned quite some time ago. However, guys, and as sophisticated traders, we wanna be prepared for both scenarios. Zooming out a little bit more, you can see that below the level to be held is 86,000 US dollars. Below that is this, on the right side, this big hole of nothing, and the next support coming in at 73,000 US dollars, as you can 72,000 US dollars, as you can see here. Meaning we need to hold not 95, not 96, not 92. No, we need to hold actually 85,000, 86,000 US dollars. As long as Bitcoin holds that, we are golden. If we break 85,000, it can get very, very ugly for Bitcoin, and 72,000 US dollars is actually very likely at this point. As long as we are holding it, we are golden. And as long as we are holding it, we can wait for Bitcoin to actually break the resistance above us, which is the volume resistance, and the only resistance above us is volume resistance at 103,000 US dollars, to eventually then potentially reach that target I was talking about for quite some time of that cup and handle pattern. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next round. As always, guys, bye bye.